Hello Internet, Minos here and today is Satisfying Tuesday. Welcome to How and Why, and today we're going to see some of the most oddly satisfying pictures from the web. Buckle up and let's get started. Ah yes, the perfect library. Perfectly fits, but I assume they don't need any other books. Another color-graded display, this time chalk. Easy to pick your color for your art studio. Oh, what is this? This is some kind of black hole gravity pattern carpet. It's difficult to manage, except if you're drunk. Wow, the effort to make this book... What is this? An octagon? It's awesome anyway. Who wants a carrot? Actually, a fun fact here. Carrots are orange because of politics. Up to the 17th century, carrots were purple, white or yellow, but it was the Dutch farmers that turned them orange to tribute William the Orange, who led the struggle for Dutch independence. Eventually, the orange carrots were distributed everywhere. Let's get to the next one. Oh, I would love to have a taste from each one sauce. Very satisfying. Oh, what is this? Is this flower real? Wow, it looks awesome. This is Hawaiian plumeria flower. Wicked. Oof, this video makes me hungry. The perfect lemon cheesecake. Damn! While this is perfect for the eye, I wouldn't touch any of these soft drinks not to spoil their awesomeness. So it is satisfying for the eye, but bad for sales. Another example of a perfectionist customer? Employee? Who knows? Thing is, these hangers are better aligned even than Chinese soldiers. Oh, log workers at their best. Is there any room for another one? Wow. This is what you get when you combine food with art. In this case though, it wouldn't have lasted for long as the apple would become brown, or you would have to eat it anyway, destroying the effort. Ah, yes! Thank you! Clothing stores, can you please make more of these stacks? We need to look on the stand without unfolding everything. Hello, snakey snake. You seem to be a perfectionist yourself. This is what happens when you hand over rolled posters to a perfectionist. It would be better though. Well, way better if you ask me. What is this? A peacock birthday cake? A wedding cake? With finger food sweets all over the place. So does this count as 1 or 120? My mind goes bananas with this kind of pictures, no pun intended, but look at that. Oh, this is way better than the bananas. Is this potatoes? Yeah, arranged by color and type or kind. Neat. Now this is how you obtain a management degree. I seriously need something to eat. I love spring rolls. Ooh, does this man wonder what to buy or who made this arrangement? Hard to tell. I assume the speed limit would be quite low not to lose any loose watermelons. Not so safe in my opinion. Where is this? Egypt. Well, that explains a lot. Ah, this is a classy one. Not an employee, but a customer who spent over 45 minutes stacking everything perfectly. Well done. Oh, perfect cable management. Now this is an electrician who respects his time and effort and doesn't want to spend hours and hours finding the right cable on maintenance day. Yeah. Rainbow files. Now you don't have any excuse to lose anything. And the last one, oh, this is a box filled with boxes. A box inception. Perfect stacking. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can hit the like button below and subscribe to watch more. Head over to my channel and choose from a big variety of themes for the video you're most interested in. See you there!